front of the cinema now, they just take it off. And it just makes me look into the back and I can see the mountain planes when they go jigging, jagged, all coming out to take off. But I always thought, when you talk to Conor McGrath, I thought if he had fight numbers, and actually fight the couple of
Welcome. You've arrived at yet another on-time flight. Last year, over 90% of Ryanair flights landed on time, beating every other European airline. Ryanair for the lowest fares and the best on-time record.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ryanair I'd like to welcome you here to Shannon ahead of scheduled travel. Local time is approaching 20 to 4. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please take care when opening the overhead lockers. Items of your carry-on luggage may have become dislodged during the flight. For those of you who smoke, please refrain from doing so until you have reached the designated smoking area. Once outside the main terminal building, if you wish to rent a car, Ryanair is pleased to recommend Hertz as a car rental partner, and they have a rental location inside the main arrivals hall. For further information about bookings, hotel accommodation, where check-in and priority boarding, please continue to visit us on the web at ryanair.com. So finally, on behalf of your captain, your first officer, but especially your onboard crew, we would like to thank you for choosing to fly with us today, and we all hope to see you again on another Ryanair scheduled service in the very near future. Wishing you a safe and onboard journey, or indeed a very pleasant stay here in the local area. From all of us on board, thank you and goodbye. And once again, we'd like to remind our passengers to please remain seated until the aircraft has come to a complete stop.
Alright, perfect.
And the captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt sign.
Play it first. I do actually. I tell you for that. That's an hour flight, you know. I know it's taking an hour flight, but they give it an hour. What time are we doing? They're really legit.
No, tonight is Thursday.
Did it?
Yeah.
She says. Conor McGrath was coming back from probably England or trying to get into this. What's he doing? He's logistics and basically they're into they've done more for throwing oil in places. You're the builder. They bring in all your materials. All these really big skips, all that. That's what they're coming up. That's the big in England like this. Even though when they say they build nothing.
Imagine going on the rain.
They do all security. Like Roman order going into this. Intel. There's the arm. Big message. Like Dolomon and just 3 members just need one. Just 2 of the lads all. They go sorting on the traffic. 6 o'clock in the morning. Because they're hoping to get about 3,000 more staff into the place. So that's basically what he does. How he's with.
Cabin crew, clear start the flight and open the doors. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Shannon. Have a very pleasant day.